IT challenges can slow your business down or be an opportunity for growth. Today, we're breaking down key managed IT obstacles and how to solve them. 53% of organizations struggle with unexpected IT costs due to poor visibility. Hidden software fees, compliance costs, and infrastructure upgrades add up fast. The solution? Optimizing vendor contracts, leveraging cloud solutions, and eliminating inefficiencies. Cyber threats are evolving, and weak security can lead to costly breaches. A zero-trust security model, MDR solutions, and security awareness training are essential to staying protected. As Danny Koda, co-founder of GSDSolutions, says, as businesses grow, so do their IT challenges. Without a clear strategy, technology turns from an asset into a liability. IT staffing is another hurdle. Hiring skilled professionals is costly and time-consuming. Businesses can fill gaps by partnering with managed IT providers, leveraging co-managed IT, and automating routine processes. Slow IT support can cripple productivity. A reactive approach means downtime, while a proactive approach prevents issues before they happen. Fast SLAs, 24/7 monitoring, and automated resolutions keep operations running. Finally, IT should fuel business growth, not hold it back. Get the complete guide in our latest blog, and don't forget to save this podcast to your Spotify playlist for future listening.